Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore cross-chain swaps with Synapse route checks, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore cross-chain swaps with Synapse route checks, begin by accessing the Synapse protocol website. Ensure your wallet is properly connected to the platform. Navigate to the swap interface on the home page. Select the token you want to swap from the drop-down menu. Next, choose the token you wish to receive. Review the multiple route options displayed for the swap. Click on the Route Check button to evaluate the best paths for your swap. Review the results of the route check to identify the optimal path. Pay close attention to the gas fees and expected slippage rates. Once you identify the most favorable route, proceed to initiate the swap. Confirm the transaction details in your wallet. Set your slippage tolerance according to your preferences. Then, click on the Swap button to execute the transaction. Monitor the status of your swap on the Blockchain Explorer if needed. After a few moments, check your wallet to confirm the receipt of the new token. If the transaction fails, repeat the route check to explore other options. Adjust your settings or repeat the process to ensure a successful swap. Lastly, stay updated with any platform announcements regarding changes to routing and swaps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.